Hello friends, welcome to the IT Buddies channel. Here you can see the awesome portfolio that we have to make in this video. So are you excited? Do you want to make this awesome job portfolio within 10 minutes? To make this, any programming knowledge is not required. If you are beginner or if you are not computer engineer, then you can also build this. After that, what you can send your website to your LinkedIn, to your resume, and do you also want to show off to your friends that I make this video? Then stay tuned. We have to build this awesome portfolio within 10 minutes. Here you can see there is a home, about, resume, works, testimonials, and contacts inside our new bar. And here some of the basic bio about us. And we also provide some of the links of our social media. Then I want to go inside my about page, and you can see here the contact details of me. And inside the resume I provide my education details, work details, and skills to show off the employees. And inside our works you can see here some of the project that I made. I write here check out some of my works. And inside the testimonials, here I write some things that someone has said about me, like I couldn't live with myself if I didn't tell you how much you mean to this company. Michael Vick, CFO, and this is a testimonial, and this is our contact page, so people can mail us with their message and press submit. And here we also provide some of the links. So are you excited, guys? Then first you have to go inside this link. You can get this link inside the description, so check it first. And in the description I also write the steps that we have to do to make our portfolio. Now we have to download this code inside our machine. So first we have to download that zip file, and I want to download inside my desktop. So now save this. You can see here this is our zip file. So first we have to extract it. If you doesn't have this WinRAR inside your machine, then I also provide this WinRAR link inside my description. So first we have to download that. I already install it. Now I want to extract here. You can see here our project folder is added successfully inside our machine. Then you have to open this folder with any text editor. I open with this code. Now I want to go inside this terminal, press new terminal, and inside this terminal we have to write some command. First command is npm init. To run this command, make sure the node.js is downloaded inside your machine. Node.js. And if you doesn't download yet, then you can check my description. I added this link. So I recommended to add this current version inside your machine. I already downloaded it, so I doesn't want to go inside that download process. Then after that download, you can run this command npm init. Now press enter here. And to add our npm, you can say node project module. We have to press enter here to go with our default process. Enter again. Yes, yes, again enter. And now instead of author, you have to write your own name. My name is Joel Shah. You can write your name here. Now press enter again. And yes, so our first step is completed. Now we have to write here npm install to get our node modules folder inside our project. So now press enter here. Take some time, so I want to speed up this process. So now our node modules folder is added successfully. After that you have to go inside this public folder, then resume data.json file. So this is our file that you have to edit. Here you can write your own name, occupation instead of mine. And remember, you have to follow these steps that I show you. You doesn't have to change any of these files inside our ready-made folder. Instead of some of these files like resume data.json, then we have to edit this index.html file. Otherwise you have to change nothing because I provide the ready-made project folder. Now to open this project into our browser, we have to write here npm start. This will automatically open our Chrome with port number 3000. You can see here our project folder is open on this 3000 port. Let's close all of these first. So do you want to change this name? I again told you, you have to go inside resume data.json file that is inside our public folder, and instead of my name you have to write your own details like Ketan Patel. Now I save this, and you can see here the name is changed Joel Shah to Ketan Patel. Now same like this name, you have to write your own details instead of me, that is inside this resume data.json file. You have to change all of these like contact message, like bio, your website, your Facebook URL, all of these files like your skills, your projects. Instead of my YouTube URL, you have to write here your own website link. You have to change all of these. After that, all of this change, you have to only save this file, and then your portfolio will look like according to your change. So first I want to write here my name because this is my portfolio, Joel Shah. Save this, and yes, my name is changed now, Ketan Patel to Joel Shah. Now remember to change this title name. Here you have to go inside this index.html file and you have to edit this title. Now to edit your image from me to yours, then you have to go inside this images folder and you have to delete this ig_sunny.jpeg file, and now you have to paste your own photo inside this images folder. After paste your photo inside these images, you have to rename that photo name to ig_sunny.jpeg, otherwise your image will be edited. Now after all of these changes, you have to write Ctrl C. Then we have to paste your portfolio into website. So I use Netlify. Netlify is the application hosting provider like Heroku. So we have to put this our portfolio inside this Netlify and we have to get our own website URL. So first go inside this, and then I already have account inside this Netlify. If it doesn't, then you have to go inside this sign up. Now I want to go inside this login page. And here you have to write your build folder. So for that, here we have to write command npm run build after all of our changes. And after this command, our build folder is added successfully inside our project folder. See here, build folder is added successfully. Remember why we do? Because we doesn't want to show all of this detail inside our website. We only have to show our build details, that is this. We have to show only our portfolio details. We doesn't have to show all of these. So for that, we have to drag and drop this build folder inside that Netlify. So for that, you have to open your folder. You have to go inside this build and select this and move here. You can see here the file is upload now. Yes, and this is our URL. And whenever I click on this, you can see here our build folder is added, and that is our portfolio. So here we get our own website URL that is provided by this Netlify. Now you have to copy this website and paste inside your resume, your LinkedIn, or you also have to send with your friends. And look at this. This is our awesome portfolio that we have to inside this site. To change this site name, go inside this site settings, and to change this you have to press here, and instead of this name you have to write anything here. After that you have to save this, and your project or your portfolio will look like this. See here, this is our awesome portfolio that we made within 10 minutes. I hope guys you will create your own portfolio by changing your details instead of me to yours. Then you have to got your own portfolio according to your changes. Look at this, how amazing this is. So if you like our portfolio, our video, our ready-made project folder that I provide you, then you have to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you also have to turn bell notification on to get our video notification instantly whenever we uploaded our next video. So thank you and bye bye.